Hello, 你好. Today we're learning numbers 0 to 10 in Chinese with many of my original memory hacks. 让我们开始吧. Number 1 is 一, super simple, just one horizontal line. 一. 2 is 二, two horizontal lines. 二. 3, 三, three lines. 三. Easy, right? Let's keep going. 4 is 四. Here is a simple trick. 四 has 4 corners. 4. 四. Be a bit careful with this one. 四, 4 sounds a lot like 死, die or death. The tones are different. 四 is 4th tone and 死 is 3rd, but they still sound really close. That's why a lot of people avoid the number 4 when they can. Some even avoid phone numbers or license plates with the number 4. And in some apartment buildings or hotels, you might not see a 4th floor. It jumps from 3 to 5. It's kind of like how 13 is considered unlucky in some Western cultures. 5 is 五. 五 looks like a little structure made of 5 pencils or sticks. A fun way to remember it. 五. 6 is 六. There's a hidden 6 in the shape. A fun visual trick. 六. 7 is 七. Look for the upside down 7 in the shape. An easy way to remember it. 七. 8 is 八. Think of the two strokes are two squished circles, like the number 8 lying on its side. In Chinese and some other Asian cultures, people love the number 8 because 八 sounds like 发, which means wealth and good fortune. That's why you'll see it everywhere in phone numbers, license plates, and even wedding dates. The number 8 turned sideways also looks like the infinity symbol. So it's not just about wealth, it's infinite good luck. That's why this number is so popular. 9 is 九. Look for the hidden 9. 九. 10 is 十. Think of two tally marks crossing each other. Together, they make 10. 十. Now you know numbers 1 to 10 in Chinese. But did you notice something missing? An important number we use all the time. 0. In Chinese, 0 is 零. The character might look a bit complex, but it's really just two parts. Let's break it down. The ring radical on top, which often appears in characters related to weather or water. The bottom part is 令, which means command or order on its own. Here, it contributes to the pronunciation 零. Together, they form the character 零, meaning fragment, small, spare, and 0 in Chinese numbers, 零. A quick bonus tip. In Chinese, the number 1 is usually pronounced 一, as we learned just now. But in certain contexts, like emergency numbers, phone numbers, or ID numbers, it's pronounced 幺, to avoid confusion with 七, 7. Let's practice with real emergency numbers used in China. A great way to use numbers in a real-life setting. Police 110, ambulance or medical 120, fire 119. A fun challenge for you. 007 is James Bond's code. How do you say it in Chinese? Now you know 0 to 10 in Chinese. They are 零, 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八, 九, 十. What's your lucky number? Do you have your own tricks or hacks for remembering Chinese numbers? Leave a comment and share them with other learners. 熟能生巧. Don't forget to practice. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. 再见。